Hi all, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing my journey. A journey from how I became a runner to how I became a sports nutrition consultant. My name is Gaurav and welcome to GD Sporty Food. That's me, a tall, dark, and you can call me a handsome boy too. By the way, the photo is of December 2019. Well, I will not go to my personal details like my birthplace, native place, education, or corporate life, as these details are already there on my social media profiles. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will start from 2012-13 when I started gaining weight and I was a regular office goer with a sedentary lifestyle. It was almost 2 years I stopped playing football or any other sports. This lifestyle made me a couch potato and my weight almost reached 100 kilograms. Even at the age of 22, I looked like a middle-aged man. For 2013 Mumbai Marathon, my colleague and I registered for 6-kilometer dream run, whereas another colleague registered for the half marathon. I never thought I will be standing at the start line of a running event. It was because of my colleague I registered, or else I would have enjoyed that Sunday with an extended sleep. So when I was at the start line waiting for flag off to happen, I saw marathoners and half marathoners on the opposite side of the road finishing their runs. It was then I decided that I will run at least one half marathon. Well, that was the best decision I made in life. 6 kilometers dream run was like a carnival where we kept walking and cheered other groups. It was a great Sunday so far. I was not aware of any other running events that time, and there were very few events in 2013-14. Maybe 2 or 3 10k events and 1 or 2 half marathons. So my known option of running a half marathon was 2014 Mumbai Half Marathon. Since I had another 12 months to prepare, I was back to my sedentary lifestyle and became lazy again. Post 2013 monsoons, I decided to step out for a run. With barely no knowledge of pace or posture, I decided to run 10 loops of a ground, which was approximately 400 meters. By the end of second loop, I was all out. I had no energy left and failed to run even a kilometer. I asked my colleague, who already ran half marathons multiple times, and he advised me how to begin. His advice helped me, and I was now able to run in kilometers. It was August, and by September end, I was able to run comfortably up to 10 kilometers. In the meantime, I lost good amount of weight too. Now in October, the 2014 Mumbai Marathon registration window opened for my office. But I couldn't register for half marathon as it asked for a timing certificate. I had no idea about this and I again registered for 6 kilometers dream run. I kept my practice on and I continued to lose weight. By January 2014, my weight dropped to 78 kilograms. It was around 98 when I started. After I finished the Mumbai Marathon Dream Run 2014, someone gave me a leaflet of Thane Half Marathon. I saw that it has a category of half marathon, so I registered for it as I thought I'm prepared to run the distance. After finishing Thane Half Marathon 2014, I earned my first medal in running, and since then, it became an addiction to run more and be a better version of myself. This addiction even took me to other cities just to run a 10k because in Mumbai, there were hardly any events. The decision to run at least one half marathon made me run 5 marathons, more than 35 half marathons, and many other distance events. And in this running journey, I made many friends. I learned many things, and I also traveled to many cities just to participate in running events. The running community became my extended family. Now, it's almost 7 years I'm running long distances and I consider myself a fit guy. But one question my friends and relatives keep asking me a lot: That is, you run so much. How come you are not getting rid of this big round stomach? I started thinking, when there are no major events to participate, my weight keeps fluctuating as I stop running or reduce my mileage for a couple of months. So somewhere I felt I am not on the right track. Here's when nutrition comes into action. So in last 3 months, because of the lockdown, I have not run more than 10 kilometers. And looking at the trend, I should have gained around 5 kgs approx. But no, this time I have lost around 10 or 12 kgs. And yeah, you must be wondering how. Yeah, so wait for the part 2 of this video. Till then, subscribe to my channel if you have not. And hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching GB Sporty Food. Have a great day ahead.